Happy Friday. You may be seeing this Saturday, but happy Friday. My name's Alicia, and I garden in Western Pennsylvania. We're getting to the point in the season where we could have a frost at any point. So we've harvested 2 beds of sweet potatoes, and we have 2 more small spaces that are planted. They are definitely something that do not handle cold weather well at all. So here in just a little bit, my family's going to come out and help because they are absolutely the most fun thing to harvest. This is one of the sweet potato beds right here. I'm trying to be taken over by tomatoes, but we've got something that is trying to burrow in right in there. So we definitely need to get this bed out of the ground before whatever that is tries to eat our sweet potatoes. This is our other sweet potato space. This I planted like a little bit later. I think I cut out maybe some cabbage or something like that after that had finished, and I planted that in here. So this got put in a little bit later, but we've got some pretty nice, let's see if I can get down in here. There we go. Right there. We can see the top. Now you never know what the rest looks like, but we've got some sweet potatoes in there. I can't tell. Go ahead, Daddy. That one looked well. That one's split too.
What?
It's interesting. Yeah, that's true. Just lay that flat there.
It's not split.
Oh, yeah,
That's good.
So I showed you these ones.
Good.
This one's also here that we just picked, and it's not split. And this one looks like a bird. It's not split, but its ends might be a little broken off.
There's some new ones.
Yeah.
huge. It's cinnamon and sugar.
Or actually just cinnamon.
Because they're already sweet. That's the sweet potato.
Oh, wow. Look at that. It looks like a mole.
Can you bring it this way a little bit, honey? There you
Looks
go. Perfect.
Like a...
Oh, but that one came out.
Okay, yeah. Holding it... Yeah, holding it there is the best. Oh. Now let's get this one. I tried, okay.
Oh.
Can I try? Oh, got a broken one. Great. There we go.
That's what we got from that cluster. That's a nice little cluster of sweet potatoes. That one's cool. Is that like a, yeah, it's almost squiggly squirm. It's a nice cluster there.
Yeah, unless it's just a little one.
Okay, so here's our harvest for the day. We've got potatoes, jalapenos, cherry tomatoes, shishitos, some bells, the rest of our sweet potatoes, sugar rush peach, and datiles, which are a hot pepper. We probably have a few more things to harvest, but this is what we have so far on our Friday evening. Every Friday night, or pretty much every Friday night in our household is pizza night. Sometimes I use a real simple sourdough crust of just sourdough starter. Sometimes I actually make the pizza dough. Sometimes it's pesto. Sometimes it's store-bought sauce. Sometimes it's just tomatoes straight out of the garden. So tonight, the plan is, right now I'm going to cut up tomatoes. I'm putting them in this colander, and I'm going to salt them a little bit and kind of shake them. That gets some of the extra moisture off, and then keeps the pizza from getting soggy while still being able to use those fresh tomatoes as the base, opposed to making like a sauce. Runaway tomato. Never happens in your kitchen, does it? So we're using tomato, red onion, jalapenos, and I am putting just those vegetables and cheese on mine. My husband's pizza will be those vegetables with pepperoni on his.